Understanding drill and ceremony, a deep dive into military traditions. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're exploring a fascinating aspect of military culture, drill and ceremony. This phrase might sound formal, but it's an essential part of military life, embodying discipline, precision, and unity. Whether you're a language learner, a military enthusiast, or just curious, this video will unpack the meaning and significance of drill and ceremony. Let's dive in. Drill refers to the practice of teaching soldiers how to march and move as a unit. It's about precision, obedience, and learning to follow commands quickly and accurately. Drill is not just about movements. It's a tool for instilling discipline and enhancing the cohesion of a group. Ceremony, on the other hand, involves formal activities and rituals performed on special occasions. These might include parades, award ceremonies, or flag-raising events. Ceremonies are rich with tradition and symbolism, designed to honor achievements, commemorate significant events, or pay respect to fallen soldiers. Drill and ceremony play a crucial role in the military for several reasons. Firstly, they foster discipline and respect for authority, which are vital in a military context. Through repetitive practice, soldiers learn to follow orders without hesitation, a skill that's critical on the battlefield. Secondly, these practices enhance unit cohesion. Moving in unison, soldiers develop a sense of camaraderie and teamwork. This unity is not just for show, it translates into operational effectiveness. Lastly, ceremonies are a way to connect with the past, honoring tradition and the sacrifices of those who served before. They remind everyone of the military's values and the heavy responsibilities that come with service. Despite technological advances in warfare, drill and ceremony remain integral to military training worldwide. They are not relics of the past but living practices that adapt to modern needs. Training begins with basic drills, teaching recruits about discipline and the basics of military life. Advanced ceremonies may involve complex maneuvers and rituals, requiring high levels of precision and dedication. We hope this exploration of drill and ceremony has provided you with a deeper understanding of its value and significance in the military. These practices are more than just formalities. They are the heartbeat of military tradition, uniting soldiers across generations with a shared sense of purpose and pride. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating aspects of language and culture. Stay curious, and keep learning.